a CNN News 18 mega exclusive news break where we have been given to understand that the Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz Supremo Nawaz Sharif has been acquitted by an accountability court in a 37-year-old private property reference that's been filed by the National Accountability Bureau. In fact, this judgment was announced by Judge Rao Abdul Jabbar, and it came after the former Prime Minister's lawyer contended that the National Accountability Bureau had malicious intentions when it filed the reference against the client who had no involvement in the plot allotment. At least that was what was being said by the lawyers of Nawaz Sharif. Some relief for Nawaz Sharif as he has been acquitted in this 37-year-old private property land dispute case. Let me actually bring in my colleague Siddhant Mishra on the broadcast. Siddhant, some relief for Nawaz Sharif. However, the kind of deliberations that happened within the court, especially from the ambit of Nawaz Sharif's lawyer, actually put the NAB in the dock. What is the NAB's response to this entire thing?
Well, this particular acquittal is coming at a time when Nawaz Sharif's brother, Shehbaz Sharif, is the Prime Minister of the country, point number one. Point number two, that from maybe last 6 months, there has been a silent effort to bring Nawaz Sharif back to the country. And perhaps for that reason, the pitch is also being created where from various political sections, the commentary is being made that it's time for Nawaz Sharif to come back to the country and perhaps take control of, take charge of the things. So that particular narrative is also being created by his own brother and his party member. So this particular acquittal could serve as a pitch for Nawaz Sharif to return to Pakistan. This was a high-profile case in which a 143 million Pakistani rupee loss was bared by Exchequer as former Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif allotted some plots to his close associates, and perhaps the revenue was not submitted to the National Treasury. So that is a main case. So it was a long pending case, and in fact today Nawaz Sharif has been acquitted. Also, there is a messaging that the courts in Pakistan are favoring Imran Khan and not the government. That was a general perception in Pakistan. So that perception could also be changed after this particular acquittal, where Nawaz Sharif is being acquitted, and this could lead to him returning back to the country, because such small developments will only create a positive narrative in his favor. So the macro picture is that the pitch is being laid for him so that he could return to Pakistan and take charge of the things, especially at a time when Pakistan is cash strapped. The economy is in doldrums, and Shehbaz Sharif looks like Shehbaz Sharif is unable to handle it well.
Right. Thank you so much for that perspective there, Siddhant. We leave it at that. We're now getting some more breaking news.